one has to feel that sweetness and the magic. And it cannot be felt. That sweetness cannot touch your heart. The magic cannot touch your heart unless you learn the language of the Quran. Brothers and sisters, we are not learning grammar. We are learning the language of the Quran with the help of the grammar. So all you are learning is the language now. Of course, we are weak in speaking because we do not practice it in our class and we do not have the environment around us. But I assure you, those of you who are young, and inshallah you will all go to Middle East someday. And this knowledge will help you. You will be able to speak, and when you will speak, inshallah you will speak very correctly. The way our Prophet used to speak and way all the Ashabas spoke. The pure Arabic language, not polluted. Not polluted. Unfortunately, in the Middle East, everywhere, the Arabic language has been polluted. But still, when you hear Jummah Khutbah, it is in pure Arabic. And also when you hear the news, it is 95% pure. So alhamdulillah. Have you put your locks on your hearts? Have you put locks on your hearts? That you don't understand? He will take us to task, brothers and sisters. And we got to answer that. We do everything in the world to go ahead. We learn everything to progress, to have a better life. What about our akhirah? Don't we want to work hard for it? So we got to learn the language. And once you learn the language, then the magic, the beauty, the eloquence, and the miracle of the Quran touches your heart. Otherwise, it flies over you, brothers and sisters. Okay? So we are responsible. And Allah has already asked us, do it. Okay? Because only by teaching the language of the Quran, we will bring people closer to the Quran. There is no other way, brother. You can only come closer to the Quran when you understand the Quran and when you are able to ponder over it. Otherwise, it will fly over you. So inshallah, I'm hoping that most of you will stand up and teach in your circle of relatives or friends, in neighborhood, inshallah. Even if you have 5 dedicated students, it's worth it. Even if there are 2 dedicated students who are willing to learn, it's worth the effort, inshallah.